To get started, I just added a clip to my timeline that I'd like to reverse. Before we begin, make sure that the clip you'd like to reverse is selected. Then, while holding down the Alt key on your keyboard, drag a clip to the side to make a copy of it, and then put them right next to each other. Okay, for the next step, click your copy and go to speed/duration. Now in the pop-up you'll see an option for reverse speed, so go ahead and check that, then hit OK. And now when we play this back, our second clip reverses. Reversing your clip can be a little hard on your computer, making the playback laggy. So to smooth it out, we can use this drop-down under the preview to reduce the playback quality. Don't worry, this won't affect your video's quality when you render it out. It's only for the preview. But yeah, that's it for this super quick tutorial. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.